Hello everyone, now we have to revise these results. Here n is the natural number which is not a field because not 0 and not inverse hold in this, and in w is the whole number, z is the integer. These also are not filled because 0 in the whole number but not the inverse property hold. In integer also not inverse property hold. Q is the rational number which is filled, and R is the real number which is also filled, and C is the complex number which are also filled. And vectors, Q is the rational number, R is the real number, and C is the complex number. All these are vector space also because these are the filled, but these are not filled, so these are not vector space. Now Q is the rational number contained in the real number and real number contained in the complex number. Q over Q is from the vector space, but R over Q is also from vector space, but Q over R not from vector space because R is the large, because Q is contained in real number. Similarly, R is over R and R over is Q form the field and vector space, and similarly C over C, C over R and C over Q form field and vector space. Similarly in the two tuple Q square over Q, R square over R square over Q, C square over C and C square over R, C square over Q form field and the vector space. Similarly in third and fourth tuple and nth tuple. Here any field forms a vector space over itself also, is that F over F field over vector space F. Any field forms a vector space over subfield. Q be the subfield of R and C, and R is the subfield of C and R. Is that Q is contained in R and R is contained in C and R is contained in C, is that R is subfield of C and R. Field must not be greater than V is here F is denoted for field, is are scalars, and V is for vectors. For example, if dimension of V is equal to 7 and dimension of F is equal to 8, it are not a vector space because dimension of F greater than dimension of V, so it not form vector space. And Z over R, Z over C, Z over Q, Q over R, Q over C, R over C are not vector space because field greater than vector space, is that here Z are not filled, so it not form vector space. Here also Z are filled, not filled, so these are not form vector space. Here also Z are not filled, so these form not vector space. Similarly here R is capital than Q, so it not form vector space, and C is capital Q, so it not form vector space, and C is capital R, so it not form vector space.